Real numbers. This is the first unit of 10th standard CBSE. In this, we are going to be solve the problems based on the real numbers. Before entering into the real numbers, we have to see what are the types of the number we are having. Already we know the numbers. Numbers is 1, 2, 3. Already we know that. That is begin 0 also one number. Plenty of numbers we are having. The another one thing is in mathematics. There are numbers has been classified into many types. Okay, in this page you are seeing 12 types of different numbers. Natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, real numbers, imaginary numbers, complex number, prime numbers, composite numbers, even number, odd number. These are the 12 major types of the number. Okay, in this among those types we are going to be concentrate of real number. Real number normally represented by capital R. Rational number is Q. Prime numbers also we are having. Okay, let we see some types of the number system. Already you know about many of the number system. Even though we can see the numbers types which is relevant to this topic, this type. Now we are going to be discuss about definition of the prime numbers and some examples of prime number. The very simple definition of the prime number is prime numbers can only divided by 1 and themselves. This is the very simple definition of prime number. For example, 2 is the very smallest prime number, and notable point is 1 is not considered as a prime number. So 2 only very first or very smallest prime number. Okay, now we are going to be discuss about composite number. What is composite number? Composite number is a positive integer that greater than 1 normally, and it has more than 2 positive integer. Example 9. 9 can be divided by 1, 3, 9. So 9 is called a composite number. Simply we can say composite number which has more than 2 positive divisors. That is called composite number. Again I am telling, composite number is having more than 2 positive divisors. Example 9. 9 that having 1, 3, 9. 3 more than 2 divisor it has. So it is a positive integer. So we can call the 9 as composite number. Next number type is rational and irrational number type. A rational is any number that can be written as a fraction. Example 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 3 by 4. Any fraction normally used to call rational number. In the other hand, irrational number is cannot be expressed as a simple fraction. For example, 1.3222 root 2 root 5, this and all example for irrational number. Again I am repeating what is rational number, what is irrational number. Rational number is simply expressed in the simple form. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, this and all simple fraction. But in the case of irrational number, it will be non-terminatingly, it will be move on. That is called irrational number in general. Now we are going to be discussing about factor. What is the definition of the factor? A factor of a number is an integer that divides the given number without leaving a remainder. Let me take an example. Look at this slide. 12 we are having. Okay, 2 into 6. 12 can represent as a 2 into 6. For example, 2, 6 are factors of 12. Here we can apply the definition. If you are dividing the 12 with the help of the 2, it will be give the quotient value is 6, but there is no remainder. Okay, so it is fitting in the definition of factor. So 2 is the factor of 12. And 6 also factor of the 12. If you are dividing the 12 by 6 means you will get the answer 2. Quotient is 2, remainder is 0. So 6 also considered as the factor of 12. This is the factor. This case applicable for variables also. For example, x square, okay, x square minus 4 can be factored as the x plus 2 into x minus 2. In this case, you are dividing the x square minus 4 by x plus 2 means you will get remainder as x minus 2. அதே மாதிரி x square minus 4 can be divided by x minus 2 நால divide பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get the remainder x plus 2. So x plus 2 and x minus 2 are factors of x square minus 4. So finally what you are concluding? The factor is nothing but one particular number dividing the another number without remainder. So the particular number can be called as factor.